Discover the captivating world of the golden ratio, a mathematical marvel found throughout nature and art. This divine proportion, approximately 1.618, creates visually pleasing and harmonious designs. It appears in the spirals of galaxies, the arrangements of leaves on a stem, and the structure of hurricanes. Artists like Leonardo da Vinci and architects like Le Corbusier have used it to create aesthetically pleasing masterpieces. Even in our own bodies, the ratio of the length of our forearm to our hand follows this pattern. It's a universal language of proportion, captivating minds for centuries and connecting mathematics to the beauty of the world.